Hi everybody, it's Bill from Xcentrick Autosports. We're here today to show you our first Steeda Steve McQueen edition Bullitt Mustang that's completely finished now and it's heading back out today, so we just wanted to get a couple of quick bits of picture and video for you to see what this looks like as a completed product. It's our first one. It's not Steeda's first one, but it's our first one here, and it's leaving our location in Windsor, Ontario, and heading up to Quebec later on today. So we'll give you a quick walk around. I know there's been tons of people looking at this video of the build process so far on our different social media sites. So this is going to be the last one before it goes. So we'll get into it real quick and walk you around. Because this car is going to Quebec, one of the things I wanted to show you specifically, we put on a new set of rims and tires, Nitto tires with the Steve McQueen Bullitt Edition wheels, but because it's going to Quebec, it's back on its original wheels with a more of a all-weather tire, just because Quebec has some rules about driving these cars that way. So we'll walk around this way, do a real quick spin, and show you how it's going. So right off the bat, obviously it's got the green accents inside. We've got all the different gauge pod here that shows the effect of this car when it's now got a supercharger in it. It changes with the Steeda Bullitt Steve McQueen Edition. Okay, short shifter, and then over on the other side, and we'll get to that, it shows you the actual designation of the car as a Steve McQueen Edition Bullitt. These are extremely rare now because you have to take your Bullitt, send it to us. We do all of the upgrades to it to make it that Steve McQueen Edition Bullitt. This is the first one, like I say, in Canada for 2020. There may be no more this year in 2020, more in 2021. But now that the Bullitt's no longer being produced, you can bring us your older, last year, whatever year Bullitt, and we can still do this to it. Okay, so we'll walk around the car real quick. I'll open the hood, show you this one's not just the base model Bullitt Steve McQueen Edition. It's also got the very unique Whipple Supercharger on it, which gets to over 800 horsepower. So real quick. Now here's something unique for the Mustang fans. You no longer have to use your prop rod. We've put on a set of hydraulic shocks on the hood. Again, a specialty with the Steve McQueen Edition. Now this is really something special. This is, I don't know if the camera will show this, but it's the same color as the outside of the car. This is a special edition Whipple Supercharger. And that's the heart of making this thing get up to over 800 horsepower. Again, another way to tell that it's the special edition is it's serialized. It has, as you can see right here, Steve McQueen Edition, Steeda, serial number 009. So that's pretty cool. The other difference on this is that you've got this fascia, which as you look at it, you'll see it's much more aggressive. It's got a lower splitter where the other one doesn't. It encompasses some of the original parts, but adds in this complete piece all the way around here that you see is an upgrade. On the supercharger, different than some of the ones we do for some of our other vehicles, there's a lot of slippage when you're trying to crank a lot of horsepower out of these superchargers. So this one actually gets a 10-rib drive system. Reduces slippage, makes the supercharger build boost quicker, and helps all that. So a lot of upgrades in here. So we'll walk around. Car looks very pretty. Can't wait to see it with the new wheels on it. And then just on the dash, you'll see again door plates and dash serialization. Now we don't have in the car yet our floor mats, but I'll show you what they look like. Again, right on the back, can't miss it. Steve McQueen Edition Bullitt signed. And then inside the car, we don't put them in until the customer gets the car, Steve McQueen Edition. These are all one-off pieces you cannot get unless you do one of these edition cars. So turnaround time is really about 12 weeks, 8 to 12 weeks maximum. And then you have the completed edition here. Very unique. The customer is extremely excited. and she's looking forward to getting this car back today. We're looking forward to getting it up to her. And let me just do a quick fire up for you, just so you hear the real heart of the beast. So that's it. That's the quick walk around. We didn't want to waste a lot of time. Get this information to you real quickly. Like I say, it's an exciting car to build. As with all of our other cars here, we're doing lots of these modifications right now with the Steeda program and our Shelby program. So if you have any questions or you want to find out a little bit more about us, go to our website, xkautosports.com, or any of the social media. Just follow Xcentrick Autosports and you'll find lots more out about it. Looking forward to any calls, any questions. Give us a shout.